Assalamualaikum. In the beginning, the name of Allah is most almighty, most merciful. So in this video I am going to introduce and we are going to install Sublime Text for our HTML in one. So we will know what is HTML. HTML is a body structure of website. For example, human beings. Human beings have a sculpture. It is a body structure. A skeleton, it is a body structure, it is HTML. So we are going to download our Sublime Text. We are going to write a Sublime Text and then write. And then first option, download for Windows. I had downloaded it. As you can see, it had downloaded. So I am going to open it. And then right click here. It is going to take me a permission, then I go context and going to install it. So then we are going to make a folder. I'm going to make a folder. As you can see, it has opened. So we are going to Control N here and then Control S, and to the local disk C, come here and going to write here. I'm going to choose our file name. HTML in one minute, then open. We are going to name it index.html, then enter. So we are going to now know how to see web view and how to put a doc type in it. So we are going to put our starting arrow, shift plus comma, starting arrow, then HTML, enter. This is our doc type. If I left click here and open in browser, so this is my browser. So I am going to do it like this and like this. As you can see, the title is index.html. If I write here HTML, Control S, and come here and Control R, as you can see, it is become HTML. So this was intro and installation. So now we are going to know some tags of HTML. Number one tag is H1 to H6 and a paragraph. If I write here starting arrow and H1 and then HTML is nice, and then I am going to save it and Control R here. As you can see, it is going to show me HTML is nice. If you notice that it is bold and the text size is big. So if I write here H2, if I write here H2 and with starting arrow H2 and then HTML is a web structure, and then I am going to save it and control. As you can see, this is bigger and this is smaller, because H1 is the biggest one and H2 is smaller than H1. If I write here H3 again and then HTML and H2 smaller, H3 smaller, H4 smaller, H5 smaller, and H6 the smallest one. So these were the simple things. The simple tags H1 to H6. If I write here H7, so it is going to show me an error. It will become an error because I will going to write a HTML and then save and control. It is going to show a bigger text from HTML. So I am going to finish it. So now we are going to see paragraph. If I write here P and then HTML is programming language and then save it and control. As you can see, it is a simple text, a paragraph type of text. Now we are going to see how can we comment out it. So if I first we are going to see single line comment. I am going to put a starting arrow and then exclamation mark and two hyphens and then HTML. I am going to write that this is a para and then for ending double slashes and ending. If I need a multi-line comment, so I am going to put the same thing, hyphens and HTML is so good and so nice, and then I am going to come here in double hyphens and finish. As you can see, it is a multi-line comment. So now we are going to see. Now we are going to see summary and detail. If I write here detail, first of all we are going to see lorem. If I give it here RH2, then lorem, there is no text. So then I click to a tab button in our laptop or computer or PC. I click the tab and it is going to show me a text. So if I give it space and lorem tab, so it is going to show me more. So I don't need much, I need only enough. This is enough. So we are going to now see detail and summary. If I write here detail, details, in detail I am going to write here IH2 and then lorem tab, save it and coming here Control R. As you can see, it is going to show me an arrow, and if I click the arrow, it is going to show me the all data I had given in the detail. If I don't need the detail name, so I am going to write here a summary tag. In summary, I am going to write here this is hyphen. Save it and Control R. As you can see, it is changed. This is hyphen. So now we are going to see. AWBR. If I write here AWBR and then enter, and then I am going to write here H C J, and then I am going to come here in ABR arrow, then giving it a title. In title I am going to write here HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and then save it and controller. As you can see, there is a underline it. If I do my arrow in it, so it is going to show me full form. HTML, CSS, JavaScript. So now we are going to the next one. Next one is our del and sep. Wait a second. Samp. We are going to see del. If I write in the del, if I write here Subhan and then save it, controller, it is going to show me a line in it. Because del means take it, and then we are going to see sap. If I write here A and then control R. Wait a second. Wait a second. Oh sorry, it was span. If I write here span and then a letter, I am going to give it a number. It is going to show me this number. This is a simple thing, span, used for numbers, and spam. Sorry, there is a sub that used for a power. For example, I am going to write here RH210. In H2 I am going to write here 1 plus 1, and I am going to write A plus B. I am going to save it and controller. As you can see, it is a power. A is a power type of. If I do the sub to sub, so it is going to show me power down. So now we are going to see BR and HR. So as you can see, there are the alphabets that are not going to show me like this 1 and B. So to do like this, I am going to write in del BR tag and then save it and controller. As you can see, a space has come. BR means space, a break. As you can see, I had given one more, but more space will be given. What is meaning of HR? If I give it HR in the here, it is going to show me a line. So I think the video is so long. I am going to give it one more part. I am going to soon see you in next time. Meet you next time. Allah Hafiz.